Welcome to Review Source. Organizing sites requires rugged storage that moves with you and protects tools from wear and impact. Best Tool Chest on Wheels Heavy-Duty Cordless delivers mobility, durability, and smart compartments, helping professionals keep gear secure, accessible, and ready for tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Winado Cabinet Tool Chest. The Winado Cabinet Tool Chest is a compact yet practical solution for organizing tools in small to medium workspaces. Designed with 4 spacious drawers, it offers enough room to store essential hand tools, small equipment, and accessories without taking up too much space. The flat top surface adds extra convenience, allowing you to temporarily place tools while working, which improves workflow efficiency. Built from high-quality, cold-rolled steel, this tool chest feels sturdy and durable, while the powder-coated finish protects it from scratches and everyday wear, ensuring long-term reliability. Mobility is another strong point, thanks to its 4 wheels and side handle that make it easy to move around the garage or workshop. 2 of the wheels are lockable, providing stability when the chest is stationary. The included lock and key system enhances security, keeping your valuable tools safe from theft or unauthorized access.
Number 2. WTRAVEL Repair Tool Chest. The WTRAVEL Repair Tool Chest stands out as a heavy-duty storage solution built for professionals and serious DIY users. Featuring an impressive 6+2+1 drawer configuration, it offers exceptional storage capacity to organize tools of all shapes and sizes efficiently. One of its most notable features is the solid oak wooden top, which doubles as a functional workbench, making it highly practical for repair and assembly tasks. Constructed from solid steel with a powder-coated finish, this tool chest is designed for durability and resistance to rust and wear. With a remarkable load capacity of up to 1,102 pounds, it easily handles heavy tools and equipment. The drawers are equipped with smooth ball-bearing slides, ensuring effortless opening and closing even when fully loaded. Mobility is well thought out, with 4 heavy-duty wheels and a sturdy handle, while 2 locking wheels provide stability during use. The secure locking system adds an extra layer of protection for your tools. Suitable for garages, workshops, and warehouses, this tool chest combines strength, functionality, and versatility.
Number 3. Goplus Lockable Tool Chest. The Goplus Lockable Tool Chest offers a versatile and highly organized storage solution with its 11-drawer design. This tool chest is perfect for users who require a structured way to store a wide variety of tools, parts, and accessories. Each drawer operates on smooth ball-bearing slides, ensuring easy access and hassle-free usage. A standout feature is its 2-in-1 design, allowing the unit to be separated into a 6-drawer toolbox and a 5-drawer rolling cabinet, giving users flexibility depending on their needs. Built with a heavy-duty steel structure and coated for durability, it provides a strong and scratch-resistant foundation. The included EVA liners protect tools from damage while reducing noise during use. Mobility is enhanced with 360-degree swivel wheels and a convenient side handle, while the lockable wheels ensure stability when parked. Security is further improved with a central locking system that secures all drawers simultaneously. Although its weight capacity is lower than some larger models, it still performs well for most home and workshop applications.
Number 4. AIRAJ Warehouse Tool Chest. The AIRAJ Warehouse Tool Chest is designed for durability and practicality, making it suitable for both professional and home use. Constructed from a single piece of high-strength cold-rolled steel, it delivers impressive strength and can support up to 550 pounds. The powder-coated finish enhances resistance to rust, wear, and impact, ensuring long-term reliability in demanding environments. This tool chest features multiple spacious drawers, each lined with non-slip pads that protect tools from scratches and reduce noise during use. Its thoughtful design includes a perforated side panel with hooks, providing additional storage for frequently used tools and improving accessibility. Mobility is smooth and quiet thanks to 4 swivel wheels, while the rear wheels feature independent brakes for secure positioning. The ergonomic handle adds convenience when moving the unit around. Whether used in a garage, warehouse, or repair shop, this tool chest adapts well to different scenarios. While it may not have as many drawers as some larger models, its sturdy build and smart storage features make it highly efficient.
Number 5. LARBANKE Garage Tool Chest. The LARBANKE Garage Tool Chest offers a well-rounded combination of storage capacity, durability, and versatility. With 7 spacious drawers and a large top surface, it provides ample space to organize tools, parts, and accessories efficiently. The drawer depth and overall dimensions make it suitable for both small and medium-sized tools, ensuring everything stays neatly arranged and easy to access. Built from high-quality steel and coated with a rust-resistant powder finish, this tool chest is designed for long-term durability and resistance to corrosion. The secure locking system, complete with 2 keys, ensures your tools remain safe, especially during transport. Mobility is a key highlight, with 360-degree swivel wheels that operate smoothly and quietly, along with brakes for stability. The addition of padded feet allows the unit to remain steady when stationary, offering flexibility between mobile and fixed use. Another unique feature is its connectable design, enabling multiple units to be linked together for expanded workspace. Ideal for garages, workshops, and warehouses, this tool chest balances functionality and convenience. Choosing the right rolling tool chest comes down to strength, storage capacity, and smooth mobility across job sites. Focus on durable construction, secure locking, and practical layout. With the right pick, your tools stay protected, organized, and always within reach, making every project more efficient and less frustrating overall.